In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-suggestion mode in Microsoft Word so you can type without interruptions from predictive text, grammar suggestions, or automatic corrections. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will open a menu where you need to select Options at the bottom. A new window called Word Options will appear. Now, to turn off text predictions while typing, click on Advanced from the list on the left side. Then, scroll down until you find the section labeled Editing Options. Look for the option that says Show Autocomplete Suggestions and simply uncheck that box. After that, click OK to apply the changes. This will stop Word from showing gray suggested words as you type. Next, if you want to disable grammar and spelling suggestions, go back to File, then Options, and this time click on Proofing. Under the section When correcting spelling and grammar in Word, uncheck both Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Once you're done, click OK. This will remove the red and blue underlines and prevent Word from suggesting corrections while you work. Finally, if Word is automatically changing your words without your permission, you can turn off autocorrect. Still under the Proofing section, click on Autocorrect Options. In the new window, uncheck Replace Text as you type, then click OK, and click OK again to exit the settings. And that's it. You have successfully disabled auto-suggestion mode in Microsoft Word, giving you full control over your typing experience without unwanted interruptions. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.